Yeah. Ultraman, Magilla, Gorilla, Thrill, Manila, Phyllis, Dilla, Huckleberry, Hound, Captain Caveman, Sit and Spin, Wonder Woman, and the Power Twins, Captain Kangaroo at the zoo singing Waterloo. Yo, back in the 80s, I had all the ladies tied up, turned around, dancing to that funky sound. Back in the day, they tried to grab my mullet and pull it. I said, you're gonna get smacked like a cracker jack. Yeah. Don't touch the hair, ladies. Yeah, yeah. Cruising down the street with my hat with the flaps, listen to my tape play, listen Spinal Tap. Looking so cool in my acid wash jeans, you can smell my bacon cooler just like Sizzling. I was 25, living with my mama. She was yelling, I said, quit your drama, mama. I'm moving out, I'm gonna make it break in. You know what I'm saying? Move over, MC Hammer. Yo. Huh. Pop, lock, robot, ragman, all day at night. Cross earrings shining bright. I was spinning and spinning, and then I started winning, and yeah. Then a woman, she said, for goodness sake, look like that mama from Give Me a Break. I started winning, I knew what to do. I gotta make it in the LA Zoo. Electric Company. Electric Company. Electric Company. Yep. Next thing you know, I fell in love with that mama, you know she was sent from above. Then everything started to fall apart. I didn't even get out at the start. Now I'll always remember the day that I made it breaking on the streets of LA.